Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best business phone systems right now on the market for you to check out, that if you actually like it's going to be good for you, it's going to be quick and effective, okay? The first one, JustCall. What I like about JustCall is that you're not going to have any credit card for a free trial, and 40 days of JustCall is on them. Now on the pricing plans, you can have the Team Pro, Pro Plus, and for the Team you can have like 29 bucks a month per user per month. Minimum license is 2 to be aware of. Then you can have also cloud-based business phone and contact center solution. It's voice and SMS automation, advanced call routing, AI-powered conversational intelligence. Also integrates with 100 plus third-party apps. And you can have like advanced call management, IVR, skills-based routing, call monitoring, whispering, real-time analytics. And here for the resources, you're going to have like AI agent directory, guides, free business tools, customer reviews, customer stories. And you have also option here to find the solutions like sales, lead generation, marketing, IT operation, and many others. And that's for the JustCall. And yeah, JustCall is interesting. Now I really like is that you can have free trial here for you to check it out. Now here, the next one, very like one of the most popular ones is RingCentral. I still want to like mention it. So leading cloud-based unified communication platform, bundles, voices, SMS, team chat, voice, video conferencing. The IVR system automates call answering, routing, HD audio and video conferencing. So for the plans and pricing, you're gonna have the business phone here, or like AI reception is like, what do you actually need? You're gonna have it here, and you're gonna find here the core. For example, let's say we're gonna have like annually or monthly version, core, advanced, ultra. Now you're gonna have like 100 toll-free minutes here, unlimited domestic calling, on-demand call recording. So RingCentral is also interesting. Now if you don't need advanced routing or collaboration, and maybe like real-time call nodes, conversational intelligence, so try it out for yourself. Maybe you're gonna like it too, and maybe it's going to be effective. Now also another one is called like OpenPhone. So with the OpenPhone, this is like the Quo right now. So with more customers with a Quo, you can also try it out for free. Every user gets a local US, Canadian, or toll-free North American number, complete customer interaction history in one view, contact management with photos, notes, custom fields, also business personal call separation with clear visualization distinction, AI generated call transcripts. So that's very good. Now for the pricing here, you see the starter business scale, and you can have $19, $33, $47 here, and you can like try it out for free. So this is something that you can actually see and you can get. And yeah, so the next one is also CloudTalk. Now the CloudTalk is also great. I think it's kind of like even the company from the Czech Republic. I really think so. So CloudTalk, what is great about CloudTalk is that it's a contact center for mid-sized growth companies. It's used by our sales teams and customer service. You're gonna have, for example, the solution sales, support, IT operation, various industries, and also the use for business phone system, international expansion, inbound automation. And that's like very good for you to actually like see for yourself if you like it. And yeah, there are I think like also in Prague and Bratislava. It's where I'm from. So I'm a fan of CloudTalk because it's like a company that is like close to me, and that's good. You can try it out for free also if you like it. And you can have international numbers from 160 plus countries. For the pricing, when we're gonna check it here, you can have also automatic callback, call recording, seamless transfers, integrates with 35 plus business tools. And here you're gonna have the starter, essential, expert, and here you can like choose between these if you want. Now that's something that you can do, and maybe it's going to be good for you. And yeah, that's for the CloudTalk. Check it out, maybe you're gonna like it. Nextiva, that's another one that I want to share. So for the Nextiva, you can have comprehensive cloud-based VoIP system for business of all sizes. Also for the pricing here, as you can see, you're gonna have the core engage power suite. The core is like $15 user per month. We're gonna have like high quality internet-based calls, advanced call management, analytics for call volume, a mobile app, make, receive calls, also modern, easy to use softphone apps, and rich analytics charts and dashboards for monitoring quality and usage. So Nextiva is also interesting, and maybe you're gonna like it too, and maybe it's going to be beneficial. And also the last one that I want to share with you is called like Grasshopper. So this is kind of like the virtual phone system too. Now with that is that what you can actually expect with the Grasshopper is that simple VoIP phone system for small businesses and solopreneurs, unlimited calling and texting on desktop and mobile, call forwarding, multiple extension, official messaging, automated transcription and email delivery. Then you can have also vanity numbers, number portability, voice emails through the email, flat rate pricing. And now for the pricing, I don't have it available in my region, but this is kind of like another one. It starts at like $14 a month, and maybe you're gonna like it. Also great ranking. You can start a free trial and see for yourself if it's good for you. So I just want to make this like quick and effective video, what you can actually expect out of these tools, and you can do like deeper research into those and try for yourself. And hey there guys, and goodbye.